Back to the video today. We are playing Airplane Story. What? No, he's not.
We're the same height, Jenny.
My hat makes me taller, though.
His staff makes him taller.
That is not connected to his body.
Fine! Yes, it is. Right now. Join!
No, don't do that.
Oh my god. No, it's fine. It's fine. We all join.
Meg, did you?
Yeah. So it's fine. We only got
Okay.
us and one player.
Yeah, we got us and one player.
F
I got C10.
F HF.
I had to sit on the aisle seat. I wanted a window seat.
I got H. Oh, over here.
Hey, we're at the same thing.
Hello, everyone. This is your captain
Speaking.
Welcome aboard flight 9648.
No, that says 7948.
Currently flying an altitude of
30,000 feet above sea level.
33,000.
33,000. That's a lot. The weather looks good, which means we'll be arriving in no time near your destination.
Go to the airplane. Okay.
Okay, let's go to first class.
Let's go to first class.
I think this is first class, right? Yeah, this is first class.
First class right here.
Can I get the scissors, please?
Scissors.
We can't grab the scissors.
There ain't no scissors here. Abort!
Huh?
We found the exit area.
Abort.
Now. Go, go, go!
40 scissors, 400 scissors.
Go, 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 go! It won't let me in my seat! It's okay, just go on it. Another time
Why is she trying to sit with you?
Karen, out of here!
She's
That's what she gets.
she. This is Carrie.
Thank you for your
Cooperation. Even though we lost somebody's health.
Dan, I think I know why. Because he's the only boy here.
That's my brother.
Our crew prepares a snack for everybody.
Oh wait, guys, don't eat it. It's gonna be poisoned.
No, that girl's probably gonna eat it.
Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Don't eat it. I am not going to eat it. I am not eating it. Why are
Eat it though.
Don't eat it.
That girl's gonna eat it though. Oh my god, it is definitely poison. Holy cow, look at it in the texture. I'm not eating this crap.
No, I didn't even eat it.
Yeah, that's what happened.
I didn't even eat it. Guys. Mayo? I hate mayo, but I'm not allergic.
Wait, I ate the sandwich. Oh,
I didn't even eat it. Find something, please. What? Oh, okay.
where is it?
I see it.
Found it.
Found it. Thank you. Yes. I would have died.
Turning to my seat.
Yeah, same. Why is she walking so slowly?
All passengers. I invite you to use a stable attitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride.
I would love to sit
I
back.
don't think she can. Bub, you're not sitting down.
I just cracked my neck. Man, to stretch my legs.
Look at the plane. We have a few miles though. Guys, look at the plane.
Oh,
Spoiling.
that's on your side?
Ah! Ah!
I don't see it. Oh! Oh, I see it.
It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Get on your seats! Get on your seats!
I see it.
Yeah, it's on
You're on the other side of the plane.
It's right near you, Jen! Don.
Guys, you gotta run.
Snakes?
Oh, wait. Snakes?
You! Will not!
Are those?
Snakes!
Snakes?
Get on your seat! Lay on the ball of your seat. It's going to tell us to go into the bathroom. These snakes have rabies!
I see an albino snake.
Get down!
It's actually so cute.
We're in the bathroom, man!
I see an albino snake. I'm standing up here. Lavatory? What? Why does it say lavatory? What? I saw my sandwich. I ate my sandwich. Nom 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 nom. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. I am. Ew. Nobody needs to see that.
We're gonna stay here for 39 hours.
I don't want to see your freaking Robux particles with your Robux stuff. Fancy. I just realized what happened to the captain. Oh, we're back? Get me back in my seat, please. I want back in my seat. Power is back, Dad. Yeah.
That means we can sit back in our seat.
No.
Sit back in your seat.
And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Of course it's freaking creepy. Ew. Your attention, passengers. I have good and bad news. Hey.
Good news is that the power is back on.
Duh. Also, I don't know why I have no pants.
Is that we are losing?
Ugh.
Look at your seat.
Did I already take one?
You idiot! You Karen!
No! No! Please, no!
You need to go buy one!
No! Well, I died. I don't want to do that all over again. But if you liked it,
How she still the button?
that was really short. But if you liked it, hit that like button. Subscribe, I guess, if you want to. I mean, you can unsubscribe at any time. I don't really care if you unsubscribe.
I'm out. No, I'm not saving. Excuse me,
Huh. But anyways, bye-bye.